Alright guys, we are here today at 17850 North 68th Street. Today we're going to take a look at unit 1112, which is actually right here in front of us. And you can see, we'll take a quick look around the community. So you got your amazing massive pool right there. You can see how well kept this neighborhood is and just how quiet it is as well. I mean, there's no noise out here at all. And you are in prime location for, shopping, some really cool, unique food places. So there's a ton of cool things to do within a 5-minute drive, which is also something very nice to have. So you can see when we take a step inside, you can see how beautiful and how high quality this home is. So this is the front door here behind us, and we have the nice window. And then directly off of the entry, you have a nice little coat closet. And I love this tile as well. You can see it's kind of like that crazy design on it, but it looks amazing. So we'll take a couple steps down here, and you're actually going to have a hidden washer and dryer stacked down here. And then behind us, we do have a nice 2-car garage. So you can see you have this really cool like ceramic type coating as well. And then of course the 2-car garage itself, you have plenty of space in there to get a couple cars, some extra storage in there as well. So that's it for like this little landing area slash like first level of the home. We'll go ahead and take a look upstairs, and I will see you guys up there. Okay, so here we are just at the top of the stairs. We were just right down there. So once you do come up to the top of the stairs, you're actually going to walk directly into a nice half bath in here. So you can see, you have all you need in here, and you have this really cool backsplash, like wallpaper type deal back here. Actually, excuse me, that's actually tile back there. So that's even cooler to have. So that's really nice to have right off of your landing area, wash up, do all those types of things. And then we do have a massive living and dining room combo. So you could easily make this your dining room here. You got this really cool light here. You can see the inside of it's kind of like a goldish color. So that's really, really cool. And then over here you have what you could probably make your living area. You got all the TV stuff there. You just put your TV there. Imagine having some seating here. You got all the nice natural light coming in from all of these windows. So, this is a very high quality, very fantastic home. And then you can see behind us, we have this nice little balcony area as well, with some chairs. One thing that's nice as well is the sun's not going to shine directly onto your balcony. So, you're not going to like get super, super hot out there. You're going to be, have some nice shade, keep you cool in the summertime. Imagine like sipping some coffee out there in the morning. And then easily my favorite part of the home here is this kitchen. I love, the dark cabinetry against like the white countertops and backsplash in here. It looks fantastic in here. And then they also carry the backsplash from the bathroom that we just take a look at. They also carry that in here in the kitchen as well. So that is the kitchen here. And then we'll come back this way. Back through the living area, and you have this really cool little like nook, like den type of deal here. So you have, of course, you get your window, you get a nice little private. You could even make this like an office, put a little desk in here, and take a better look out at the community. And then behind us, we're going to have another flight of stairs, which I will see you guys up at the top. All right, so here we are at the top of the second staircase. So once you come up to the landing area, this is what you will see. And then over here, you're actually gonna have double doors of storage. So you get another really nice sized closet up here, some extra storage as well. And then you can see the home splits off into 2 separate bedrooms. We'll take a look into this one first. This would probably be considered the guest, even though it really could be a double primary home. Because of course you get your ceiling fan and the big windows, but you're also going to get a huge closet here behind us. And then you're also going to get a full bathroom. So, I mean, this is why this home could easily be considered a double primary, because you get the closet, you get the full bathroom, you get just about everything that you need in both of the bedrooms. Take a quick look at the view out here. It's a nice, beautiful day out here in Arizona. And then we'll come back through to what would probably be considered the primary. So you can see it's just a little bit bigger in here, but you still get all of the same things. So you get the same double windows, the nice ceiling fan, the huge closet. And then in here, you're actually going to get a double vanity. But you can see the beautiful countertop in here is fantastic. And then you get this awesome walk-in shower as well. You can see they can carry that backsplash from the first level in there as well. So that's going to be about it for the tour of this home, guys. If you have any questions, you want to come see this awesome home for yourself, you can do that all through our website, which is rpmphoenixvalley.com. Thank you guys for touring with me.